actually tells us just that. And this is kind of going into this dark, horrific affect that Martin was talking about, that we're talking about death's realm. And there's also an interesting point here to do with imagination, I think, because what he's saying is science exposes us to this realm precisely insofar as what science tells us is unimaginable. So there's no way we can actually as soon as we imagine ourselves into these worlds, into these objects, then we correlate them and we're no longer looking at what science tells us. So, of course, culturally there's this problem with squaring how we naturally think as human beings with what science tells us. And in a way, Meillassoux is kind of deflationary in this respect, because he's telling us, yes, there is no way for the imagination to capture this. This is why science is a special type of knowledge, because it deals with primary qualities. Now, so mathematics, so it seems, is able to do this, but we don't know how. And correlationist philosophy has obscured the question, or has no interest in the question. And on the other hand, scientists perhaps are spontaneous realists. They don't ask the question, they don't pose the question. Or if they do, they don't do it within the realm of their professional life. And I've certainly interviewed scientists for Collapse, and they all think about these things, but it's kind of sequestered off from what they do every day, because every day they sit at the computer, they process the data, they're busy with what they're doing, and they don't ask these questions. So philosophers